Emergency podcast. Here we go again. Ito pag-usapan lang natin last night. Jordan Heading has been traded to TNT for Mikey Williams. And I didn't expect it na the next day immediately. Nagbibigay lang tayo ng scenario. Actually, kahapon nga, it was Justin Arana rumors pa nga yung pinag-uusapan natin, di ba? But here we are, boys. Nangyari na nga. And sabi ni Mario, the congregation has to happen again. The three horsemen.
Alam mo na, I just told Nico this off screen, guys. Yung nangyari dyan was, ano
Ito,
to,
to.
si Mikey pati, yung deal na yun, ready na eh. Mikey for um, heading plus somebody, heading plus Arana, heading plus Winston, mga ganyan. Tapos kaso di sila makadecide. Tapos kahapon, nung na-trade na si Will Navarro sa Magnolia, sabi nung TNT, o sige na, okay na yan, pre. Heading for Mike. Ayun yun. Yun yung nangyari doon. Kaya same time na yun nangyari. So, ayun. Welcome to TNT. Jordan Heading. Sana okay na ating injury mo. Tapos, welcome to Converge. Welcome back to the PBA, Mikey Williams, man.
Yun nga, welcome. After ilang years? 3 years?
3 years ata.
2022 ba siya nawala?
Parang, oo, kasi the last time. No, 2 years kasi 2023 sila nag-champion di ba? Yung
Grabe.
Finals MVP siya against Ginebra. Yung first championship ni RHJ.
Yeah.
So it's been 2 years. Parang ito yung magic potion to ni Jordan Heading. Sigurado magagaling agad i-injure nito.
Uy,
Bigla na
Uy,
lang.
uy,
Oh,
uy.
wow.
I can move again.
Yung mga PT sa Moro Lorenzo sa Ateneo, they know my problem. They got
Ah,
it immediately.
biglang okay na sila eh.
Guys, is this a win-win situation? For me, medyo alanganin. Wait, I mean, short-term win for Converge, if you ask me, kasi you got a 33-year-old Mikey Williams who I believe has 2 to 3 years left in him. Yung prime Mikey na what we saw from before, I feel ko may maibubuga ba siya. While Jordan Heading is young and fits the timeline of the Reyna Batak era and the rest of the guys that they have, like Calvin Oftana or Pogoy. So, grabe TNT, no? They have loads of shooters now. And also a secondary playmaker. Kasi underrated playmaker si Jordan Heading, di ba Mario? We saw him sa mga SGA tournaments and we are like, oh wow, Heading can actually pass. Heading can run the
Yeah.
offense of a team from time to time.
Bro, for me, yung nangyari dito is may replacement ka na for Jason Castro eh.
Mm.
Now TNT finally has that replacement. Not man finally, but they have another replacement for Jason Castro, whom I would maybe argue is a better shooter than Jason. Not a better point guard. Mas magaling pa rin si Jason doon by a
Ay,
mile. So, in terms of how it all fits, now you have Heading, you have Pugoy, you have Oftana, you have BGR coming back hopefully soon. You still have Reynam Batak, you still have Poy Eram. I'm surprised they didn't go for the big. I'm surprised they didn't go for Arana instead of Jordan Heading like what Graham said yesterday. Because what we said was mas kailangan ng mas kailangan ng TNT ng big man. But either way, you basically gave up nothing for something because you haven't used Mikey Williams in 2 years and you've been winning championships anyway.
yeah.
Yun yung malaki doon. Na
Mm.
TNT turned Mikey Williams to basically is non-existent into a Rey ng Batak in steroids. Si,
Yeah,
uh,
actually.
si Jordan Heading, di ba? I think the
Yeah.
upside of Heading is,
Lefty pa yung
uh,
dalawa.
oo, di ba? Is mas mataas kumpara kay ng
Oo.
Batak. Parang si ng Batak is Ginobili and then si Heading is James Harden, di ba? If we
That's
can think of it
Hmm.
that way. Um, so this is big for TNT. This revitalized their hopes of a grand slam. Kasi we don't know if Reyna Batak will be back in the playoffs, and we all know na wala na si Castro this season, di ba?
Ganun ba
So
kalala injury
having
ni Nabatak, Graham? Ganun ba
well,
ka-bad yung injury niya?
he says he's optimistic that he'll be back in time for playoffs. When they say optimistic and they don't say I'm sure, then alam mo,
Optimistic pa lang eh, no?
oh, optimistic ka pa lang. I'm optimistic na I'll win the lottery. Pero I don't
Ako rin
I
naman.
don't know if I'll win the lottery, di ba? So, um, but now they have Heading who will
Mm.
magically heal from whatever injury he has. Then it revitalized their Grand Slam hopes. So, this is big for TNT. Turning Mike Williams na hindi naman talaga naglalaro sa kanila di ba? In, into Jordan Heading. So,
Grab,
I've
interrupt mo na kita. Ito si
uh,
Mario nagpalit to collar na rin. Napansin niya, wait lang, itong dalawa to naka-collar ah.
Okay,
oh,
Baka
okay.
okay, okay.
Ulit na
naka-office siya
namin.
palit.
Sorry, yung palit ako.
Si Graham,
Okay.
sorry. Sorry, Graham. Natawa lang ako na pressure siya sa ating dalawa
Ano lang,
unintentionally.
yung dress code kasi Mario did not get the agenda,
Di
eh, di
sinend
ba?
sa akin eh.
Di na kita PM.
Oo.
Send yung dress code sa akin eh.
Uh, but I was
Mm.
about to say, I've never seen 2 consecutive days na ganito ka busy yung PBA. Na yung buzz
Two
Yeah.
outside
consecutive
of the
days, di ba?
playoffs.
So
Di ba,
what?
no? So,
Nakakita na nga yan.
Yeah, there was the
sabagay,
domino. They were waiting for somebody to trade first. Para okay, it was a certain domino and that domino was William Navarro yesterday. And I
Ah,
think ito na siguro yung last mo na, no? For di
sure
pa tayo
about that?
sigurado.
I don't think
Di ko pa
so.
alam.
I
Di
don't
ko pa alam.
genuinely think so. I don't genuinely think so, man. I'm seeing I'm seeing a change in the Ginebra lineup. I'm
Me
seeing
too.
You feel mo lang,
Me
like,
too.
just,
sino yung papalitan? I see Maba Hamnisi and Jeremiah Gray for Joshua Munzon. That's what
oh,
I'm seeing.
that's crazy.
That's what I'm seeing.
That
Wait,
That's it.
tapusin
will,
muna natin.
that,
Let's finish our TNT ano muna, Converge, ano. Then let's end it with that one later. Like how we ended it yesterday. Yeah,
Ayun, for
so,
me,
yeah.
yung sa TNT, man, you probably have the best shooting team in the league right now. I mean, come on.
Mm.
You now have Oftana, Pogoy, and Heading. Sino yung iiwan mo dun, di ba? Like, good
no
luck
one.
to find any hole, man.
Pick
So
your
now you're
poison eh. Di ba? Pick your poison si iwan mo.
exactly. Tapos, when you actually have a healthy BGR, which I don't know, I keep saying this because I don't even know when he's gonna be healthy. Pero kung
Nobody
magkaroon
knows.
ka ng time, kung magkakaroon nga ng time na healthy na si BGR, man, he's gonna have a party down there because no one's helping off of any of
Luwag.
these.
The space is a lot,
Dayton
di ba?
Batik now has the time of his life. He can just drive and kick all he wants. It's literally all he's meant to do at this point. We're going on to the Converge end. Oh, man. You basically also traded nothing for something.
Di ba? Kasi you never had Mikey for the past 3 years, 3 years.
Eh,
And then you get a
For Converge,
great piece.
Jordan
Gilas
Jordan
member.
wasn't coming back, diba? I mean, apparently Jordan wasn't wasn't really
pinag-uusapan
back.
natin kahapon.
Oh nga, exactly. So now, since he wasn't gonna play, now you got somebody who does play and who is a genuine three-level scorer. Diba?
Mm.
And so now your lineup becomes heading tuloy. Mikey, Stockton, Winston, Arana, Baltazar. You were able to keep Justin Arana and Justin Baltazar. Panalo kayo dun if you converge, man.
It's like adding I can think Deron Williams siguro to the San Antonio Spurs. Na nado pa si Duncan tsaka si Robinson.
Yeah.
Ganun yung aura, eh, di ba? Or
Duncan
Kyrie
and
Irving,
Robbins
ganun.
actually
Or
two
Kyrie
bigs.
Irving, di ba? With
Mm-mm.
adding a guard, a lethal guard na nakip mo yung Twin Towers kasi the consensus yesterday, di ba? If they're gonna get Mikey, they have to give up one of their bigs, and it
Yeah.
was Arana. So this is really big for conversion. And I'm really happy kasi people are rooting for them. Sawa na yung tao sa
Yeah.
SMC tsaka sa MVP, eh, di ba?
Mm.
And they're doing it the right way. Hindi to
Yeah.
pitas. Hindi to pitas. Like, this is a fair
It's a
trade
genuine trade.
na, na
Yeah.
parang,
Independent team eh.
meron ako ditong, iPhone 16 Pro Max. Hindi ko ginagamit. Ginagamit ko ba yung S25 Ultra mo? Palit tayo. Diba?
Pwede na actually. Pwede.
Diba?
Exactly, bro. None of them were planning on playing for either team. Hindi
That
magpalitan
is
na lang.
right.
Magpalitan na
Oo,
lang tayo.
diba?
Naglalaro na yan, bigla lahat.
Actually, ang galing,
And-
no? The circumstance. Ayaw maglaro niyan. Ayaw rin ito maglaro eh. Swap tayo. Baka maglaro yan sa
Tama.
atin.
Diba?
Then both
if
of them
you-
are gonna be in the Philippines. And well, Jordan's been in the Philippines. Pero
Yeah, he's
Mikey will
busy,
be
yeah.
in the Philippines by tomorrow. Jordan will be shooting around by tomorrow. It's all like that. It's a business. We understand how this works.
alam mo kung sino pinakamasaya dito? Mario Nico.
Sino?
Si Nards Pinto kasi magagamit na naman siya.
Si Nards Pinto
Nards
magagamit.
Pinto.
Siya ba pinapatapat kay
Kay Mikey.
Mikey Williams?
Mikey stopper yan eh.
Wait,
Yes,
Mikey
Pinto.
stopper. Na-stop niya ba talaga? Or na-contain naman niya kahit paano?
He contained Mikey
Kahit paano?
nung sa in the
Yung All
pandemic.
Filipino.
No, yung
Nung bubble?
conference na yung after the bubble. Yung lumabas na sila and then paunti-unti lang yung crowd. They faced in the playoffs and he was able to contain Mikey to I think 20 plus points lang.
Alam
And
mo yung-
Mikey was
Dami pa
tearing
rin.
the conference. Oo, but
Pero konti na yung for Mikey.
Oo, konti na
Oh,
talaga
man.
yun for Mikey. He was bleeding for his points.
Dude, wild.
Bro, alam mo yung when you gave Iguodala yung finals MVP kasi
Mhm.
si LeBron into 38 and 8. Yun yung parang yun yung Nards Pinto. You're not gonna stop him.
Parang ganun.
Pinahirapan mo siya ng solid. And in Nards Pinto's defense, even if people have been clowning him for the past 1 year, many people had that much success on Mikey. Even in
Oo,
the
tama.
exactly,
Kahit San
diba?
Miguel, kahit si Chris Ross.
Oo
Hirap
nga.
kay
Diba?
Mikey rin siya.
Oh, super hirap sila kay Mikey. So, this is going to be interesting. Who do you think won the trade in this situation?
I'll go first kasi interesting sagot ni Mario. For me, I feel like it sounds like a win-win right now, like 50-50 right now. Pero 2-3 years down the line, doon natin ma-reassess na baka TNT could pull away from this situation right now. Considering nga na Mikey's 33, hindi mo alam yung how his body will progress. Are we gonna see a Stanley Pringle decline? Because Stanley Pringle just declined. Just
Oo
one
nga.
year. Diba? From
Cliff.
playing
Fell off
steadily,
a
then
cliff.
bigla na lang, oh, wala na palang Stanley Pringle.
There's
This
a
guy's
reason Stanley Pringle declined. That's because Hinebra got way too many players for them to use Stanley Pringle. That's not. We're not gonna say that Stanley just fell off a cliff, man. Stanley fell off a cliff because Hinebra pushed him off that cliff. Like that's
Sabay.
basically how it went.
Pwede.
That
Pero
makes
you never
sense.
know how Convergent will use him. So, and again, that's 2 to 3 years from now. I know naman na we know what Mikey can bring. Nakita natin sa SGA. Nakakasabay pa rin siya against one of the best Middle East teams against the international stage. So, right now, I feel it's a rare win-win in the PBA. It's something na we could say na good. Ikaw, Graham, then
When
we can
was
have in Mario.
when was the last time na win-win in trade? I can't even
I
remember.
don't remember. I don't remember.
I
Nung nakuha
I
namin si
cannot.
Bolik, win-win. Tinrade namin si Trollano sa
Nakuha
NX.
Yeah.
We
Hindi po
traded
Ano?
win-win.
Trollano.
Hindi po
Tapos si
win-win.
Trollano ended up win-win for SMB. Win si SMB.
Hindi po talaga
Pero I don't
win-win.
remember. Like, kidding aside, I don't remember.
No, I can't remember na ganito yung last na fair trade. But
Yung guys sa
short
comments, you
term,
can comment if if you guys feel na meron. Yeah.
I think Converge won the trade here, honestly. Kasi Mikey was the missing piece. Go-to guy. In the clutch, give him the ball, clear out. Tapos lagyan mo pa yan na magaling na import sa reinforced conferences. This team, halos walang butas. Yung butas lang ata nila, yung tres.
Yeah, it's the wing
They have?
position. Yung pinag-usapan natin
Oo, yung
yesterday.
wing,
Yeah,
di ba?
wing position.
So,
Yeah.
Unless they want to hire si Alex Compton to activate Kevin Racal, um, yun lang talaga yung butas nila. So, yun yung yun yung goal ng Converge in the reinforced conferences. Get a legit three
Yeah,
to
three.
pair with Mikey and your Twin Towers and you're
What did
good
they
to
get
go.
last year? Sino yung PBA import nila? This is a
Si
wing.
Diallo.
si
Check
Oh,
Diallo.
no. The one before Czech. There's one
Scotty
before Czech.
Hobson.
Scotty Hobson. Di ba that's a 3?
Yeah.
So, maybe sa Governor's Cup.
Maybe.
Kulang ng Converge ay Javi Gomez de Leano. I will
Oh.
keep saying this. Paglalaban ko si Javi Gomez de Leano as the missing piece.
Hindi ay bibigay Terra Firma. Trade na Terra Firma. Si Javi, sa Converge, nabibigay yun.
Siyempre, bibigyan nila sa Inebra yun.
They're like, no? Yung
Let's be
Converge
honest.
giving me, parang OKC vibes.
OKC vibes, Converge.
Go-to guy, 2 serviceable big men, and then
Mikey
the rest just fill the
you got
role.
a closer.
Diba?
Hirap niyan, no? You got Mikey and Stockton. Kasi kanina bibigay mo na.
Mikey and
Shit.
Stockton. Diba?
Siyempre, Mikey, stop it.
Yeah, pero diba, Stockton kaya... Hey man, konting respect rin kay Stockton dun sa previous playoffs.
Emergency player si Stockton.
Pag na-deny yung bola kay Mikey, nasa si Stockton. Stockton sa second. He's a second. Second. Yeah, that's why we can... Makaka-agree tayo doon na second option si Stockton after Mikey.
Oo.
Mario, yeah. Win-win ba? Is it a win-win for you?
It is a general win-win. Di ginagamit. Tara, palitan tayo. Uy, gamit. Alam mo yun. Sige, yan yung point na medyo fair. Na fair naman to a certain extent. Pero for me, lamang din ang Converge dito. And merely lamang ang Converge dahil they didn't lose Balti or Justin Arana. That's basically it for me kung bakit lamang ang Converge. Kasi you barely you still have your 2 main guys inside the paint. Ang shooting, playmaking, scoring guard in the PBA, to be completely honest, maraming ganun, men. Pero a
Yeah, sa
Balti,
Pilipinas tayo,
Arana,
daming guards.
yeah. Pero a size of Balti, skill of Balti, size of Arana, skill of Arana, onti lang yun, man. That's why there are only literally 5, 6 best centers in the league who
Ang
we can
hirap no,
genuinely
ginawa tayo top 10.
have
Hirap na hirap tayo
intercept.
sa final trip sa gagawin natin dito.
Converge has two of them. And they didn't
Yeah.
have to let go of either of them to TNT. That's why for me, panalo ang Converge. And ito yung for me, another thing. Yes, Mikey Williams is 33 years old. Pero we know the PBA is, you can play kinda long in the
Till
PBA.
38 siguro, 38. To be
Kasi
effective pa rin.
Reeves nga, di ba?
Don't
Pinag-usapan.
put
Parang,
a limit,
parang
Rafi
5
Reeves
years,
is still
pero 5 years na out of commission to si Rapi Ribes. Veteran presence na lang yan for 5 years.
Reynel Hugnatan was on the Meralco Bolt since until last year. Alam mo
Gumagawa pa
yun?
siya sa MPBL? Gumagawa ba siya sa MPBL? Hindi
Gumagawa
na
pa
rin.
rin yun. Sa Papa
Iba
Ray.
MPBL.
Pero man, Mikey will probably still have until what, 38, 39 years, and we're acting as if Mikey is the slashing type of guard that Stanley Pringle was. He's not. He likes to shoot. He's gonna continue to
He likes
shoot.
to jump. He likes to shoot, yeah.
It will be less stressful on him, and it does help now that you have two genuine bruisers in Balti and Arana. So for me, panalo ang Converge. I'm not saying natalo ang TNT. Panalo din ang TNT kasi now you're finally off of Mikey Williams' contract and you have a genuine player who will make a difference. Pero overall, I think panalo ang Converge.
Well, same. Converge right now.
TNT,
And
parang sa TNT, they're transitioning from Jason Castro. Parang he's handing off the reins. If Jordan Heading decides to stay, parang siya yung pagbibigyan ni Castro nung throne eh. Kasi they've been looking for that guy. Diba? The transition was easy from Jimmy to Jason. Now
Yeah.
from Jason to who? People don't think it's Ray. I believe it can be of Tana, but this is perfect. Jordan Heading
Card.
as the next great TNT point guard.
For me kasi ang problema dito at some point has to be because of how different the league is right now, where these players actually have offers abroad. Arvin
Yeah.
Tolentino na everybody would want for him to play right now, pero because he has that opportunity, Japan or Korea, wherever he may go, isn't playing. It's so different now. Kasi as of right now, you have this trade na nasasabihin natin, uy, fair. Pero what if Mikey only plays 2 years? What if Jordan only plays 2 years? Eh di,
Yun yung downside.
yeah,
you don't really know.
revisit mo
That's
na.
yung difference now with the whole thing. Yeah, that's the same thing we said when we played ni Javi for Jeremiah Gray, diba? We were like, men, lamang ang Hinebra doon
Ginebra.
kasi
Noong time na yun, di ba?
lamang Hinebra. Jeremiah Gray is on the trading block and he's been on it for like 6 months. Javi's in Korea right now. You don't know how these things are gonna pan out. Especially considering na both do genuine, even if we do make fun of it na, may injuries sila. May genuine injuries din naman talaga sila pareho.
Yeah, genuine injury. Pero is it really taking that long? No, I don't think so. Parang ganun lang naman. We get the injury. We just don't, di namin gets gano'ng katagal yan. But either way, congrats on these two teams, Converge and TNT. Kayo guys, comment below if you think it's a win-win, kung may konting edge ba si TNT or not. It's the podcast. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify. Like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Nico here with Graham and Mario. See you guys next time till the next podcast na maisip namin.
The next trade. Till the next
Till
trade.
the next trade. So next year. Bukas.
You mean tomorrow?
So bukas.
Malay mo, mamayang midnight.
Diba?
Magugulat
Calvin to
na naman.
Ginebra for...
Di yung mga midnight lang, mga VJ pre-announcement lang yan, di ba? At Chris Porter. Mga 11:30 ng gabi in-announce. Sabi ko, okay, nice.
Kakatawag lang ni Coach Tim kay Japet ng Batman, bigla na lang bukas sa trading block na yan. Di mo lang.
Imagine mo kung mangyari yun. Kakasabi na nung tinawag niya. Nakita mo yung Graham, yung
Yes.
quote ni Coach Tim na this is Batman right here.
I'll
Tapos
be
bigla,
happy.
traded mo.
I'll be happy
Mataas
to be
trade
honest
value
if
niyan.
we get
Trade mo si Batman.
Rana.
Go. Uy, sabihin mo, na-trade mo
Di
si
pa pa.
Batman. Huwag galing, diba?
We just traded our Batman.
Batman, bro.
We got Superman though. We got Superman coming. Anyway, yun lang naman guys. See you all. Peace.
Adios amigos.